All right, we are back. Welcome back to Resident Evil 4. I forget what we just did. I always forget what we just did, but alas, we'll be okay. All right, Ashley discovers that she is also infected. Okay. Got a little Red Bull here. Oh, that's really good. That's really good. Okay. So we decided that we cannot buy anything new. But it looks like we have a lot of bullets we can make, which is really good. So now, where do we go? Where do we go? Up here?
Cuidado.
Oh, wow. Over here.
Abandona esta lucha fútil.
Give up this
Entrega
fight.
tu cuerpo a la voluntad de nuestro Dios.
Surrender your body and to our God.
Oh, todopoderoso.
Oh, all-powerful, give me the strength to
Para aplastar a tus
to
enemigos.
destroy our enemies.
Hijo de puta.
Crush our enemies.
¡Ashley, corre!
Ashley, run! Okay.
Hasta luego.
See you later. Oh, I thank you for your gifts.
¿Quieres jugar sucio?
Oh, you wanna fight dirty? Let's fight dirty. Hey, we might just not have enough. We might just not have enough ammo. I mean, honestly. Oh no. We'll try. Okay. Ow. Can you not? Woo! 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 Let's climb up here. Let's go up here. There we go. Oh, eat that. Eat that. Whoa! Whoa! Let's go back up here. And reload. And move. And move. And move. Oh god, reload. Alright. Ow. Alright, we're okay. Oh, look at his eye. There we go. How do you like that? Alright. Okay, so now he split in two. Oh boy.
Supongo que se acabó el flamenco.
Oh, I'm on fire. What was that? I was on fire. That was no fair. There you go. How do you like that? How do you like that? Reload. Okay. Whoa, let's run. Whoa. Oh. Hurt a little bit, but we're okay. Whoa, whoa. How do you like that? Whoa. He's trying to throw those at me. That's alright, we'll get him. We'll get him. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, can you get away from me? Get away. Eat that. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's not very nice. Wait till I'm ready. Whoa. Ay, ay, ay. Oh boy, that's a problem. That's a huge problem. Oh, I'm in the fire too. Whoa, this is a huge problem here. Oh, we have spray. Alright, we're okay. There we go. Well, he was pretty easy.
Leon!
His eyeball fell out of his head.
¡Leon! ¡Corre! ¡Esto se viene abajo!
Alright.
Saluda a tu Dios de mi parte.
He said, you know, say hi to your God for me. Leon's such a badass. Where am I supposed to go?
¡Leon, deprisa!
Quickly.
¿De nada?
Gracias.
She's like, you're welcome. That was a joke. Okay.
Este fuego les llamará la atención. Sigamos.
Fire's gonna call attention to us. Let's
Voy a
go.
convertirme en una de ellos.
I'm not gonna become one of them, am I?
No voy a dejar que eso pase.
I'm not gonna let
Lo
that happen, I
prometo.
promise. Alright. Looks like we're coming up on some kind of castle or something. I need some more ammo, that's what I need.
¿Qué está pasando?
What's happening?
Bueno,
Well,
al menos no podrán seguirnos.
at least they can't follow us. Let's go. Nice. We're doing pretty good.
Hola, aquí Luis.
Hey, it's Luis.
¿Estáis por aquí?
Are you around
Yo
here?
quería irme a casa, pero Ashley
I
insistió.
want to go home, but Ashley, she wanted to take a look at your
Perfecto, porque
castle.
tengo un regalo para vosotros.
All right, well, I got a present for
Medicina
you.
que evitará que la situación
Medicine
empeore.
that kills the virus. Where are you?
Veamos.
Let's
Ven al
see.
patio dentro del castillo.
Come to the patio
Nos
inside the
vemos allí.
castle.
Chao.
We'll see each other there.
Tengo algo que creo que... Bien, Ashley. Luis dijo que...
Lo he oído. Mejor que nos demos prisa.
We better hurry.
Bienvenido. Me han entrado productos
Ooh,
nuevos.
the blacktail.
Mi inventario está en perfecto estado. Te lo aseguro.
Oh man, do I want the blacktail? I might as well. I might just buy the blacktail or the broken butterfly, huh? That's a pistol. All right, I'm happy. Let's get the broken butterfly.
Tienes buen ojo para estas cosas. Las armas no son solo potencia, sino también recarga. Tú ya me entiendes. Va, llévate esto también. Es gratis.
Nice, thank you.
El conocimiento es poder. Recuérdalo, amigo.
I mean, we might as well just level this thing up.
Ahí lo llevas, como tú ordenaste. Mira a ver qué tal, amigo.
There we
Si
go.
los fondos vuelve cuando quieras.
Oh, here we go. We can deal with some stuff now. We can deal with some stuff now. Huh? Okay.
El patio debe de estar ahí detrás.
Okay.
No creo que nos hayan puesto la alfombra roja.
I don't think they're gonna roll out the red carpet for us.
¿Qué es eso?
What is that?
No creo que sea de adorno.
I don't think it's just a decoration.
Ballestas. ¿Eh? Algo me dice que no vamos a ser amigos.
They said crossbows. Something tells me we're not going to be friends.
Esto no hace más que mejorar.
This just keeps getting better or something. Shh. What are they doing? Quiet. Let's get him. What's this guy doing? Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. What is going on here? Jesus Christ. Boot knife. I forget what the boot knife does. Nice. Okay. So we're in the castle now, this creepy dark castle. Let's get this. Get this. And we'll head up here. Grab them. Oh. Alright, wait. Oh, Ashley. You got hit. Woo! Woo! They're everywhere. Oh, she's hurt.
Gracias.
De nada.
Let's go, Ashley. There's too many of them. There you go. Problem is, I only have 7 bullets. That's a big problem. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa.
¿Tienes catapultas?
I guess so. Let's go, let's go. Let's get out of here, Ashley.
Supongo que esto es su idea de bienvenida.
I'm gonna be out of ammo in a second. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, that got me good.
¿Todo bien?
Sí, estoy bien.
Oh. Come on, Ashley, let's get up.
De nada.
Let's get out of here. Oh, I'm dead. I knew that was gonna happen. I'm not gonna lie, I hate this part. This part sucks. This part is no fun. Especially because I have no ammo. Hey, is this? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get out of here, let's get out of here.
Supongo que esto es su idea de bienvenida.
Where's your friend? I think there's like another friend over here, isn't there? There you go. Alright. Get up. Oh, out of ammo. Nice. Gave me 5 bullets. Alright, we gotta wait till it lands over here again. Anything? Alright, now we can go.
Joder, cerrada. Tendremos que pensar en algo.
What? Whoa. Alright, so we gotta go this way, apparently. Alright. Whoa, 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 dude. Don't sneak up on me like that. Nice. I can't remember if the... Oh, this will be good. There you go. That'll help us out a little bit. What we did there is we just blew one of them up. So there's 6 of these guys, huh? Can't get that. Any other of them we can get? Go after that guy. That's good. Ashley. You gotta get up. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Get out of my way. We got places to be. Am I gonna get nailed over here? Okay, we're still okay. There we go. Alright, so we're doing okay. So let's jump down here. Where's our buddy? Anybody down here? Whoa. There's 4. So we need to... There we go. We got the cannon going up there. That'll help us out a bit. Now we can use that cannon to blow open that door. Gotcha. Oh, man. How do we get back up? Jesus. Alright, we gotta go fast here. We gotta get out of here, Ashley. Fast, 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 fast. Ashley? Oh, man. Ashley. No, no, no.
¿Estás bien?
Sí.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ashley, let's go. Oh, jeez. Oh, all right, Ashley, let's get out of here. Let's go. Oh, there's still a... We need to get that. Oh, my gosh. Ashley, get up.
Gracias.
De nada.
Can I just knife this? There we go. What do we got here? Oh, nice. Man, we are like advanced today or what? Okay. So unfortunately, Ashley, can I tell her to stay here? How do I give her a command?
Necesito espacio.
Bien.
Just stay here. No, Ashley, no! That was not what we wanted.
¿Bien?
Estoy bien.
That was not what we wanted. I may be dead.
Bien.
Oh, get up, get up, get up. Oh, man.
Ven aquí.
Jesus. I'm so close to being dead. This isn't even funny. See why I hate this part? Huh? I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Yikes.
Voy a por ti.
Jesus Christ. Oh, I don't want to die. Don't hit me, don't hit me, don't hit me.
Ashley, ¿estás bien?
Sí, gracias.
Okay. What we need to do is get on here, shoot that.
Dispara otra vez.
Alright. Shoot this guy. Alright, we're good now. Come get me. Oh, two birds with one. Oh, no, he's not dead. Let's just do a direct shot. Much better. Oh. There we go. Let's break through there.
Está abierto. Ven.
Vale.
Yes, we didn't even die once. I want to get all those little totems, but... Oh no, let's get out of here. We're still getting shot at. We're still getting shot at and everything. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Oh, thank God.
Mira este lugar. O sea, es viejo, pero...
I mean, it's old, but... Bro, did you know what we just went through?
Bienvenido. Bueno, ¿qué puedo hacer por ti?
30.
¿Qué dices? ¿Que de dónde saco todo mi repertorio? Hay cosas que es mejor no saber, amigo.
Alright.
Tu
Blacktail.
dinero está siendo bien usado. Te lo garantizo.
Oh, it's more powerful. Really? My oh, okay. It could be a little bit more powerful. Okay. I think I like SGO9.
Puedo ser luego, pues.
Oh no, I can do this. Then there's some stuff. I don't know if I want this.
Joyas o basura, no hay diferencia. El precio, bueno, lo decidimos.
I think we could do
nosotros.
something with this. I'm gonna save this. We can do the bracelet.
Gracias. Ten.
So let's go to here.
Vuelve. Bienvenido.
Alright.
Un
There
buen
we
negocio.
go. Let's prepare that. And I don't know.
Empezamos a...
There's
Buen viaje.
just max it out. And we'll do a little mixed herb here. We can find a typewriter. I think we should be good. I think there's a typewriter here, but wow, we're advanced again. This isn't even a learning podcast anymore. Okay, here we go.
Seguro.
Nice. Alrighty. I think this should do it for this one. Made some good progress. See you in the next one.
Algo de tu-